Today's knowledge workers need more compute power because they use graphics-intensive applications and often multitask and work across dual monitors. See the difference between a CPU-only virtual desktop and a GPU-accelerated virtual desktop powered by NVIDIA GRID. A dual HD monitor setup was configured on a loaded environment with 64 virtual machines running knowledge worker workloads. Streaming HD video on one screen while accessing Google Earth on another shows a much higher CPU utilization on the CPU-only virtual desktop. Notice the smooth rendering and faster load time on the GPU-accelerated virtual desktop. The CPU-only desktop struggles to load Google Earth, while the user is able to view smooth rendering of satellite imagery on the GPU-powered virtual desktop. Some applications like Google Maps require GPUs to experience its full capabilities and features. On the CPU-only virtual desktop, the 3D view with tilt feature is not available, while on the GPU-accelerated desktop, the user is able to use the tilt control, drag, and rotate the terrain. Here is a user streaming a YouTube video in HD on one monitor while multitasking and working on Microsoft Excel on the other monitor. The screen on the left shows a YouTube video playing, while the screen on the right is launching Excel. You'll notice smooth video playback with fewer dropped frames on the GPU-accelerated desktop, as well as fast loading times and better responsiveness on Excel. Here, the user is streaming HD video while multitasking and using web-based interactive dashboards. A GPU-accelerated virtual desktop delivers more responsive visualization of data to help make decisions quicker. Notice the much higher CPU utilization on the CPU-only desktop that can't offload work to the GPU. Even in one-monitor situations, the impact of GPUs are noticeable. WebGL supports 2D and 3D graphics on more than half of the top 100 websites. But websites using WebGL can cause the CPU to hit 100% utilization when just animating a simple scene. Using the Archeologic tool, you can view 3D models of your floor plan with ease, zoom in and out, and rotate models with responsiveness with a GPU-accelerated desktop. Notice how CPU utilization is much lower on the GPU system. Many company websites use WebGL today, both on their intranets for employees and their customer-facing websites. Comparing BMW's website, notice pixelation on the CPU-only virtual desktop, while the GPU-accelerated desktop shows smooth rotation of the car, visible reflections, and no jagged edges. Knowledge workers now use many creative and design tools. Adobe Photoshop has features that simply won't work without a GPU, and features that require a GPU for acceleration. GPU-accelerated VDI environments, powered by NVIDIA GRID, ensure users can run applications with full features and capabilities and get the best user experience with today's graphically intensive websites and applications. Users can be more productive wherever they want to work,